concept of area and perimeter in making washable masks for students. This project is focusing in three categories. First, we have to prepare all the required materials. Second, we have to cut the correct sizes of the posts for the mask. Third, we have to double and seal the edges of the clothes. Fourth, we have to fold the cloth and seal. The fifth and final step, we have to seal the lace and garter of the mask. The sizes of the mask for group 1, 15 by 8 cm. For group 2, 16 by 8 cm. For group 3, 17 by 8.5 cm.
Good morning, Southern Thailand. Welcome to Southern EP Open House. This is Wichianchom School.
Bring you the latest news about the math project, which is applying the concept of area and perimeter in making washable masks for the students. This is Supha Thai, giving to you the information about the math project and how is it being done and how interesting the project is. I am Wichianchom School.
Good morning, Thailand. Good morning, Songkhla. This is WCC News, live at Wichianchom School, giving today's special news based on the current catastrophic situation that we are facing today due to the COVID-19. The threat of COVID-19 suspended the entire world. Well, the Wichianchom School students and teachers try to apply simple mathematical concepts to prepare homemade and washable masks, suitable and comfortable for kids studying different from grades. Ladies and gentlemen, let's join our reporter, Mr. Supha, directly from Wichianchom School at Songkhla. Could you please shortly describe this project to our viewers?
Thank you very much, Ruth. As you said before, this pandemic that we are facing today caused a lot of destruction regarding the life and the businesses all over the world. This project started by Wichianchom School is an endeavor for the students of the school to make homemade and washable masks suitable for the kids according to their age and grade. This math project will focus on the following objectives. First, be able to understand the basic concept of area and perimeter. Second, be able to determine the area and perimeter of the mask. Third, be able to apply the area of the mask prepared by certain length of the cloth.
Fourth, be able to apply the perimeter to estimate the outer edges of the mask. Fifth, be able to determine the market value of washable masks. And sixth, be able to work as a team.
What were the factors that you considered while making washable masks? First, we have to prepare all the required material, such as sewing machine, clothes, sewing kits. This math project is focusing on a grade schooler with the following categories. 1. Age group with the grade level. Group 1, 6 to 8 years old, Pratham 1 to 2. Group 2, 9 to 10 years old, Pratham 3 to 4. Group 3, 11 to 13 years old, Pratham 5 to 6.
How did you make the mask?
Different sizes of the cloth that we use were based on the majority sizes of the students in the respective group. We use the rectangular shape for all the masks. Can you tell us more about this math project? How did you find the sizes of masks for every group? We conducted a survey and tried to find average size for various categories. For group 1, the length is 17 cm and the width is 16 cm, a rectangular piece of cloth. The perimeter of the mask for this group is 66 cm, while the area is 272 cm square. In a 1 meter by 1 meter piece of cloth, how many masks can you make? In a 1 by 1 meter piece of cloth and breathable the cloth for a mask, we can make 80 pieces of washable masks.
For group 2, the length is 60 cm and the width is 8 cm. So the perimeter is 48 cm and the area of the mask is 128 square centimeter. We can make 16 pieces of washable masks.
For group 3, we can make 13 pieces of washable masks. If you use a mask in the market, then you still get a profit
Yes, if you sell one piece of mask for 30 baht each, you can still get a profit and it's cheaper than those in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, we will show you our video on how we prepare this mat project.